Hello guys, in this video we are going to see about how to make ultrasonic sensor in perfectly and correctly, and then if ultrasonic sensor is measure the distance correctly. Okay, come to check it. In this project we want three components like Arduino UNO, ultrasonic sensor and male to female jumper wires. So I'm take UNO and plug in the 4 male to female jumper wires in 7th, 8th, ground and VCC. The 7th pin is echo, 8th pin is the trigger and ground to ground, and VCC means 5 volts. Okay, I connect the female port in ultrasonic sensor. 7th pin is echo, 8th pin is trigger and ground and VCC. That's all guys, the connection process is over. Now I am paste the ultrasonic sensor in the table in strongly because 1 millimeter is range is up and down, the full program is collapsed. So paste the UL sensor in correctly, and I am already stitch the scale in table. நான் வந்து அல்ட்ராசோனிக் சென்சரை தலையில் வச்சுக்கிறேன் பிகாஸ் அப்போ தான் கொஞ்சம் கரெக்டாக நிற்கிற மாதிரி கம்ஃபர்டபுளாக இருக்கும். ஸோ அதுக்காக தலையில் வச்சுக்கிறேன். So I am give the full programming link in descriptions. You go to that link and download it. Now the uploading process is finished. So I'm connect the Arduino to laptop for power source. So I'm plug in the laptop port and the power source is gained. So now I am take the breadboard for measuring the distance. So I place the breadboard in 2 cm. It shows 2 correctly, and suddenly I am place the breadboard in 1 cm. It shows 11, 7 and 54, 21, 50 because the UL sensor is work only below 3 centimeters. See, after 3 centimeters. Now I'm put the breadboard in 7.5. It shows 7 correctly, and paste the breadboard in 8, 9, 6. It shows correctly and perfectly. So the project is finished. The UL sensor is work correctly, but it only used for centimeters, not for millimeters. You want millimeters counting? Comment below. I am think and tell you. Okay guys, that's all the video. If you like the video, like this video and share to your friends. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.